Welcome to 4LowRocks. We're happy to have you here. A channel largely based on the new Jeep JL Wrangler platform, follow our 2018 Wrangler Rubicon build as we progressively add new capabilities to it and put those new capabilities to the test on many trails in the Southwest. Also come along for the ride as we participate with the local Jeep and off-roading clubs and with other YouTube creators. And check out our series on our R-Pod travel trailer that helps us to extend our Jeeping horizons. Are you interested in the Jeeping lifestyle? If you are, then this is the channel for you. Our build is being done reasonably, and our trail work is also kept to reasonable expectations. After all, the goal is to be able to get back home after a day on the trails. We promote safe and responsible wheeling and advocate treading lightly and packing out what you packed in. I love this lifestyle and I want to share the adventure with you. So click that subscribe button below to keep 4LowRocks content coming to you, and click the bell icon to be notified of new content as soon as it is posted to ensure that you won't miss a thing. Welcome aboard!